Hello there, here today I'm gonna show you how to make a vegan sandwich with Italian sausage, which is all vegan right here. So what do we have here? We have some English muffins. Check the ingredients, no dairy in it, so it's vegan. We got some lettuce, we got some green pepper, we got half tomatoes and some vegan Italian sausages. First thing we will do, we will toast the bread in the toaster. This is the English muffin. Let's cut it in half. And put it on the toaster. Now we need to cut the Italian sausage. You just cut it in half just like that, and then you need to warm it up for like 30-40 seconds in the microwave because it's still raw. Let's put it in the microwave for like 30 seconds, and let's take the English muffins out of the toaster and grill the sausage too a little because the microwave didn't really warm it well. So you put them on the plate. Here the sausages are ready and grilled. Here you can see it looks nice, right? The English muffins are toasted, the sausages are grilled. You can also put some, spread some vegan butter on the English muffins. I recommend Earth Balance. It's one of the greatest vegan butter brands. I love Earth Balance butters. And then once you do that, you put the lettuce on top. And let's put the sausages, and let's slice the tomatoes. Here I have the tomato slice and a slice of the green pepper. I believe green pepper goes great with tomatoes and the sausages, so I'll have added some green pepper into my sandwiches. And then put the tomatoes on top, and then lastly the green pepper, and push it down a little. On top of the English muffins here you have a beautiful and tasty vegan English muffin sandwich. As you can see, it's very easy to make. You can make this for lunch, dinner, even for breakfast, or even just for snacking. You can make few of these easily. I love these sandwiches, you know. I eat them almost every day, and they taste so good. The sausages are so delicious as well. Thank you.